Convincing a carnivore to eat vegan is not easy, Ben. But YouTube personality Candice Hutchings made it her personal mission to win over her meat-loving husband. Spoiler alert, she managed to do it. Now Candice has written a book, the Edgy Veg cookbook, filled with plant-based recipes for traditional comfort foods. Here to show us how to make a few favorites is Candice. Good to have you in studio this morning.
Thank you so much for having me.
I was saying to you, I literally followed my nose down the hallway because it smells exceptional.
So good in here.
So good. Okay, so what are we looking at here?
So this is a tested, tried and true recipe for anyone, whether you're carnivore, vegan, not vegan, vegetarian, whatever. This is buffalo cauliflower wings. So take the same idea as a normal wing.
Can I try?
Yeah, absolutely.
So is this, what's the difference here?
So this is just dry, so you can dip it in, or these are tossed in buffalo sauce if you like some heat.
I do like a little bit of heat.
Carnivore approved?
Carnivore approved.
Awesome.
How'd you know I was a carnivore? This is really, really good.
It is. It's definitely one of our most popular recipes on the website, on the channel, and in the book as well. And then we also have some chili here.
Okay, so this is something that we were oohing and ahhing when we were going to break and showing a shot of you stirring this. So talk to us a little bit about what's in this chili.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is all the same ingredients that would be in a normal chili. I always say never reinvent the wheel. So instead of a beef, though, we are using texturized vegetable protein.
Texturized vegetable protein.
Which it's not a very beautiful name, but it has the exact same, exactly. But it has the same texture and taste as ground beef.
Okay.
So you can just dress it the same way you would a normal chili. We have some vegan sour cream here that's made out of cashews.
Really?
And then we have some vegan cheese as well.
Looks amazing.
And you know, you always want to make everything really pretty.
Yes.
So throw some cilantro on there.
So I was wondering, I mean, I feel like you would come up against this a lot of people saying, oh, it's vegan, disgusting, I'm not trying it. Do you find that you are having that conversation?
Yes, I do get resistance at first, and I always say lead with your fork. That's a type of, you know, activism, if you will, that I like to do. So just get people to eat the food, and it's always really tasty. Just use the same flavor profile, the same types of ingredients, and it'll taste almost exactly the same.
So how difficult is it to be in a relationship with your husband who is a carnivore and you're a vegan? I mean, what's cooking like at home? At first,
it was difficult. It was a bit of a struggle until I started veganizing all of his favorite recipes and all of his favorite dishes, which is how the book was born. So the book is filled with his carnivore forward recipes that I've just veganized.
That is excellent. And I like the amount of spice too.
Good, good. I'm glad.
Kick. That's great.
I'm glad that you are not afraid of spice.
Yeah, I am not.
Makes my job easier.
Speaking of which, I see jalapenos here.
Yes.
What are we going to make now?
This is Baja-style fish tacos made out of oyster mushrooms.
Okay.
So when they're sliced up, they almost have the same texture and not necessarily taste, but feel as fish.
And they look, I mean, it looks like it too.
It does.
Because half of eating really is about what you ingest from a different sense, which is your eyesight too. You have to want to eat it.
Absolutely. And I find that a lot of vegan stereotypes are that it's like brown or green, kind of millety, quinoa. But if you make everything look really beautiful and use, again, the same types of flavor profiles, you're good to go.
You're good to go. Okay, so we're good to go and build this thing.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's start with the salsa here. So this is a mango salsa. We're going to use some chopped mangoes, a little bit of jalapeno, some onion, and then a little bit of cabbage. And I love the color of the yellow and the purple together.
Yeah, it looks great. And the cabbage crunch is key too, isn't it?
And then to bring out all of the flavors, we have some lime juice.
Nice.
Mix that together. And then we have our tacos. So the tacos are the fish part of the tacos, rather. They are breaded oyster mushrooms, and to get that fishy flavor, we're using kelp.
Really?
Yes. So this is, I mean, you can smell it. It smells like the ocean.
Yeah, it does. It really
does. And that gives it just a nice, salty sea salt flavor, which is very similar to fish.
Okay.
So we can build this guy over here. So if you just want to add a little bit of the lime crema, again, we're using cashews for the cream.
Here we go, a little base. Should I do a little bit more? There we go.
Absolutely, and then we have some of the salsa here. A little bit or a lot, depending on what you're into. And then we can toss on some of those oyster mushroom fish.
Okay, so you cooked these how again?
So they are deep fried. You can also bake them as well if you are looking, you know, after your waistline in January, after the holidays.
Awesome.
And then we can even give it a little squeeze of lime. And a little bit of cilantro, and you are good to go.
It looks really pretty. Oh, these are great ideas. Okay, there you go. And
You have a very elegant but quick, easy dinner.
I love it. Thank you so much. These are great ideas. Great ideas.
I'm so glad.
Yeah, I'm going back to eat that in about T-minus, what's the throw? 10 seconds. Okay, I'm going back. Okay, to create these dishes at home, you can always find the recipes on our website anytime, yourmorning.ca. Thanks for being here.
Thank you so much.